Are you afraid that this is a Homan banquet?
As long as you are there.
You are ready for me. Blue invitation letter to the public channel. Yellow invitation letter to VIP channel. Green invitation letter walking on the stairs. Those who come are either rich or noble. Don't make a mistake for me. Two people walks.
What's going on? Let's climb this.
I didn't expect them to use this method. Don't want us to run.
I've overestimated them.
How long does it take? 40. Revoked if you are late for more than 3 minutes. What should I? This is the 25th floor. Elder sister. I can't do anymore. No, I can't run anymore.
You don't exercise normally.
Don't. More than 3 minutes. Your sister is not qualified to compete.
Quick. Only 2 minutes late.
I didn't receive any notification, so no one can.
Wanna go? I think someone is going to be late. We follow the regulations formulated by Qiao Shuang. Meeting is more than 3 minutes late. It is necessary to automatically disqualify the meeting.
Isn't this a minute away?
Just fail to do what you wish. We're not.
Please show your invitation letter. Sorry, no invitation letter. No one.
Is the sheriff no exception? What to do if an emergency occurs upstairs?
Longting Group Security Department has the ability to handle it.
I must go.
Mr. Sheriff, dear bosses who participate in founding Conference of Urban Construction Association, either rich or noble. Everyone is worth hundreds of billions. None of you are allowed to enter.
Do you know the consequences of hindering the sheriff?
Who am I supposed to be? It turned out to be Laisha. This Longton group, it belongs to private property. If you force yourself, you need a search warrant. Then else.
Only one company can participate in a city. And what about only one person can participate in a company? He's staying here. You'll stay here. What has it? You two show your love. Tell me whether you stay or he stays.
Mr. Jiang, you misunderstood. We mean we can all stay.
The rules are yours. do you keep your word?
Songtao, I acquired Mr. Sub, a construction company in Bingshan. As a representative of the company, we will attend the meeting.
I've proved that there is something like this.
Is this in line with your rules?
There is no such rule in Xiao Shawang. Any law can be used without prohibition.
Are you with Xiao Shuang?
I'm not the same as them. Instead, it's their opponent.
What do you mean?
Xiao Shuang is competing for president. I want to compete for the president too. Could we be a group?